DJ Spare.
Spare the DJ.
Kunjani?
Kuhle unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Yes.
Ngizokhomba aware from the podcast.
Yes.
The podcast. So sincokola generally about sifuna umazi bayidalelwa kakhulu lathini.
Okay.
Bayenza umahluko omningi.
Sure.
Oqala uSpare ngwaphi?
uSpare ngowaseQonce. King Williamstown.
Right.
Then ke obviously there's apha kuQumbu ke ngoku ngomsebenzi. Fike nini apha 2021? Yeah. Fike ngo-2021 apha kuQumbu. Yeah.
All right. And then eQonce ndaweni eQonce khona iGingsburg khona what neyiphi indawo khona Ezwelitsha.
No, I'm from Clubview.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the way to Alice.
Ikwalapha nje xa ungena eQonce after Bisho before ufike town.
Oh.
Khona nje indawo.
All right. And then Spare, why Qumbu? Why did you choose to come to Qumbu? Zingaki indawo ongapplyela kuzo kumsebenzi?
No, I didn't choose Qumbu. Qumbu chose me.
Okay.
Qumbu chose me because I remember bengisuke Butterworth mos was working there kwaphela contract ke uyazazi izinto zama contract emsebenzini. Ngathi ngisafuna umsebenzi, I was still in Pretoria then. Ngafumana kuthiwa yini ngambe letter of appointment letter. Thank you. Fumana appointment letter ethi ngiyafuna kuQumbu. So that is how I landed apha kuQumbu ke ngoku. Yeah.
Sika Qumbu unknown ungamazi kumbe ngakwazi Qumbu and then wa adapter or tell us babe kunjani, let's say njengomuntu ongangiwalapha ne. Bekunjani xa ufikayo apho ufike endaweni ongayaziyo ungakwaziyo nayo but usazi indawo le usuka kuyo.
Yeah.
So there's challenges that you got up there now.
Funny enough, there were no challenges, yes. There were no challenges for me because I'm umuntu wabantu.
Yes.
Ngiyashesha adjust endaweni. Met up with one of the guys abathi ngoSobs. Uyambona mos?
Yes, I know Sobs.
Yes.
Qumbu mos.
Yes. Dibana noSobs, wangibonisa indawo ke kodwa kuQumbu apha. Siphila kanje, kwenzeka kanje. But yeah, there were no challenges, I don't want to lie, because ngizothini angikaze ngiyifile lento ukuthi I'm far from home and I've always been uSpare. Afika kuQumbu ngasethe ingqondo ukuthi okay kuQumbu asisaphila impilo big city uyayiva mosne, so you must just adapt, uphile nabantu uzoba right.
I knew but xa ufika kuQumbu you can't just be Qumbu without a personal Qumbu.
Yeah.
Because if you buy a car you need to give it to some boat. Yabona ayiqhube
Ayiqhube
the big
wala,
one waziwayo yabo. Famous people abalapha kuQumbu baninzi famous.
Yeah.
I think yeah, so in order for you to settle kuQumbu you need to have someone
True.
akubethe lapha kuQumbu.
True.
All right. And then ke ngoku what develop lapha kuQumbu? You worked Qumbu waqhubeka noSobs as a friend.
As a friend, yes.
Waqhubeka what develop? What developments did you get?
Developments in this for Maneyo Apa, it's the major one, my favorite. Bene Don't Let organization.
Right?
Yeah, LGBTQI.
Thank you. I wanted to go there. You let me through.
Yes. That was I'm like, yeah,
Right.
man, yes. Whereby I was fortunate enough to be deputy chairperson yalo organization.
Right.
Yes, so that is quite like a development. And then it's this DJing thing of mine that I'm starting.
Yes.
Like I started recently. But I'd say, what's corner la corner la
Doing there. Sisepha kula ndawo yeza challenges. Talking about the development as well.
Okay.
I think correspondent. Sorry. Tell me. Sorry.
Nancy.
No, fine. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened.
It's a
yeah, no, it's fine. Okay, so talking about the developments and then stepping get challenges, right?
Yeah.
So there's an organization which is different
True.
from what people know. And that organization is being made so that abantu bazokwazi understand abanye abantu.
True.
Wena kwenzeke ntoni kuwe xa ufika kula organization? Did you get challenges ezoba unguSpare?
Fortunately, no.
Okay.
Unfortunately, no, because I think we support we had a very good support from uMasipala because they were the ones kahle kahle abathi qalani ilona nina iyafuneka i-organization ye-LGBTQI plus communities yalapha eMhlonhla ayikho yabo. So funny enough abantu support, like people did support us nabantu oqonda ayo bengakulindelanga ephopho. They were wearing ama-yini lezi skate ama-tutus, you know. So I don't say I wouldn't say sorry ukuthi there were challenges. Yes, maybe ke ukuyenza ikhule obviously kuba khona yabona amagenxe yes ngoba okay niyabetheka but ke with the team that endinayo kula organization we made it through.
Criticism kwecala criticism kwenzeke njani like khange kube khona abantu aba-against
obviously bazoba khona people talk
nabo
funny enough siyabamizers setting opinion yakho it's okay but just come to lento exactly. So if ufuna ukufunda or you want to know more about the LGBTQI community, why don't you just come? Uzobona ukuthi okay kahle kahle aba bantu they are human beings. Yabo asihlukanga kwabantu aba straight.
Yes. So tell me most ngolhlobo it's LGBTQI plus.
Yes.
There's what plus?
Yeah, kukhona pansexual kaloku phansi. So there's a lot of
so now I'm trying to say even if umuntu straight can come and support. Yes.
That does not
join the organization.
You can come and
because
join
those
the
people
organization.
they are being called what can they are being called I forgot this word, which is the straight people that are joining you guys or friends owning you. Yes, but
there's a term.
These are way about ally. I think it's ally or something.
Yes, allies. Yes.
So those people they are there to protect and support. I think it's the most people I understand I hope better because they're close. Understand?
Yes.
So now I think ingasabantu bang-adopta ilendlela kokusebenza HIV.
Thank you.
Yeah. So apho kuzofika kutrain ubani utrain abanye abanye so that they will understand le. So tell me community khange libe na nifumane eza challenges zokubana nihlukumezeke and understand. I believe kukhona nama-GMs.
Yes.
Kube khona namantombazana.
Yeah.
So now anikhange nihlukumezeke in terms of verbally, sexually and in terms of physically.
Verbally, verbally noma uyaphi like kuze kushiwo ukuthi isisitabane umzekelo xa I remember ngihamba nomzukisi my gay friend whom I love so much like comments nje qoma isitabane qomba hayibo into nayo sizizwa nje so what
exactly
it's okay ungathola ukuthi kwa yena lo isitabane usiso khona nama after 9 ngalo.
I wanted to say that because one other thing I think we must dwell on this topic because I think it's what happens ingena kule ndawo ye GBV.
Yeah.
Now uke wathi omnye umuntu if you hate the camera you get me.
True.
That means uyayifuna la camera. You get me?
Yeah.
Because we are criticizing. There's nothing wrong with the camera. It's there.
It's there.
But it's just that wena uyayifuna la camera. So I'm trying to say into ethi xa ethuka ne about being gay or sister or something. That means ikhona into esaphekwayo ne.
Sibathongile wena indaba zakho uringa 20.
All right.
Indaba zakho.
Now siphena bane organization naqhubeka organization
isaqhubeka but obviously there are challenges ke yabona there are challenges and unfortunately abantu abakwi sintoni kanene dilibele ke ngokeligama your chairperson your deputy
the cabinet. Yes.
Unfortunately majority yethu siyaspan yabo so now akululanga ukuthi sidibane and sihlala as a different so but ke at least ikhona ne group yethu ye allies at least that is active because besibawele pride kakhulu But ke yeah, sizoba
Step by
right.
step.
Yeah, baby steps man.
So I think i-group yenu has to do igalelo kwi-community. Kanjani? There are schools
Yes.
around home and khona abantwana abasakhulayo
Yeah.
who are being abused phakathi kwezaa sikolo
True.
aba-understandeki. Not necessarily umntana abuswa zi-fellow students, but even
Notitshala.
netishala, you
Yeah.
understand? So ni plana njani ukubahlangula aba bantwana?
Our vision was to go to izikolo ne siyazibona ezilapha down ngaske ingxaki isikakhulu isezilalini
Exactly.
yabo. That is our thing, our main doors sifuna uqala khona ezilalini because number one we need to educate abazali ne we need to educate abazali notishala otishala ngabazali ekugqibeleni yabo. We need to educate those people who know ikhona lento. It's there
Yeah,
whether you like it or not.
It's there.
Yeah,
and ukuba nomntana it's every parent's wish
exactly.
Now xa wishile okanye wathandaza uThixo umnika umntana, I think uThixo umnika umfanekiso wakhe.
Sure.
So whatever yena ayicelileyo kuThixo, it's there.
Exactly.
The
So
only thing elekayo i-understanding, yabo. I
knowledge.
remember kwenye indawo esaqesa kuyo kwenye ilali, I think or something.
Okay. Yeah, ngiyayibona.
So we went to event kamasipala. So we went there as part of umasipala.
Okay.
To educate abantu ku-GBV.
Okay.
Then as an activist that I am, then ndaqetha uZimini.
Yes.
Yes, which is your chairperson, right?
Chairperson in
So
your organization.
Sayapayana. So Uzimin was trying to educate abantu balalali.
Okay.
Then we had a time up to have questions.
Okay.
Right? Phela kumfana uthile wabuza wathi ke ngoku sikhalukwazi thina sisiba nenza njani. I'm going to answer you. So the question is nenza njani. But my answer was like this. I answered myself.
Yeah,
you get me? Like, how do you make love? You understand? Remember, uthe ufuna ezilalini to educate abantu. So now umuntu wasezilalini, what's education from where?
Okay.
What I said that the pen of God. No, can I answer you? Yeah, that's you know what? Love is affection.
Oh.
Love is affection. There's no need for penetration when you love a person. You get me?
Exactly.
So when in your mind you've got a penetration part, of which if you love each other, there's so many ways to show a person that you love the person. After that.
Exactly.
You get me?
Yeah.
So they turn across to the Lalin. What was the Lalin? Banana ngondo yokokubana anye ithini lento. Yeah, understand? So now stay kule organization at least quite a large number.
Yes.
Yabantu ekhoyo ne so you are planning those things about ningene with communities.
Yes.
So onke bayazi, understand? And educate, ne?
Very important that one.
Now being a DJ, I'm loving this thing. Iyathungelana. LGBTQI plus, and then a DJ as well. The same person who portray this organization to a large crowd.
Yeah.
Uzenjani?
Funny enough, ngidala. I was just joking. Download the virtual DJ on my PC. Okay, sharp. J1212. And then I told Pumlani, uyambona mos Pumlani DJ le yasemenza. Pumlani mfondini mako ngeke ngidlale mfondini. And he was like, "Uyakwazi udlala?" I'm like, ngisazama. What he said was, "Laptop yakho ngathi khona." What is anayo? Again. I'm like, mfethu like kaloku abantu ngizidlalele endlini ngakwazi nokumixa kakuhle yabo. Wathi again. I'm like, okay, sharp. If you believe in me, it's okay. I dance. I played. And banga kubona mo mix intando yakho. Jonga ngenye look sana uphumlani qomba. Now uzibona ukuthi angifloppile yo. It's okay. So then I started kanjalo. It was just
Luthando, right?
Yeah, I love music. Oh, I love music. Oh, ne groove.
Yes. then we're adopted of being a DJ.
Yes.
Njengoba songu DJ ophumeleleyo. I've seen you when you poster. lapha kuqumbu izabe sela champagne guys usiphe uzabe pha
31st
31st ne
Yes.
kube khona i-artist eziningi so it's gonna be your first time uswima in the sea, right?
Yeah.
So ithini into awunaqala uqala
Novalo. Uyaqonda mos ukuthi I'm a small fish in a big pond. Yeah, so obviously ngizoba nalo uvalo nqoma oh God. Because ngo DJ ingoma ziyadlala uqomba oh what if izodlalwa nale ngoma you know. So ayikhona shemadongwana la nalo uvalo but homestay my man. So yenza
yeah because I think you are well known.
Yeah.
Ndike ndayawutya lunch kwenye indawo andizoyibiza igama because ndonqena abe ngathi ndiyabe ezindawo.
Alright.
So ndafika kule ndawo ndiyotya lunch ndifike phandle ndilenze inyama esabhrayayo phandle ndihleli phantsi. Hayi man if bekuthiwa kukhona uDJ Spare at least ngesimva umculo omnandi. So uyachuza umculo okanye you just read your crowd then you play.
Very important to read your crowd. Read your crowd. You can play music. It's also important to introduce a crowd emculweni omtsha. But into ebalekile ukuthi uyifunde crowd yakho uyabona ukuthi bayanyakaza or bayazincokolela. Like uyayifeel man, you can feel ukuthi our people are bored like yeah. So then you need to change ke ngokuthi okay sharp mhlawumbe bengidlala i-deep house. Uyabona mos ukuthi not everyone is
everybody goes ngena ebhiyeni yakuyasela
nje kuyancokola awuyiwanga because ekugqibeleni nawe uyafuna ukujonga
so funeka ukuthi uqoqe hit songs.
Yes, hit songs then you introduce ke lo mculo here and there uyabo. Yeah. So it's very important to rate a crowd yakho mina I that is my number one principle and iyanisebenzela.
You know what, I'm inspired because it's a female DJ. Now kukhona abantwana abasuka from ezilalini umuntu unephupha ngosiqeleni.
True.
When it came ngothando right, you understand? Kodwa mntana uyiphuphayo uyintombazana esuka ezilalini uthi Spare I wish xa ibona le podcast umzeke uzothi I wish la sisu pha. They can address you as even, you understand, that the way they want, you understand. So ndingasenza ngabanga Spare but ke ngoku mna disadvantages apha ezilalini akukho means akukho ntoni. Ungathini kulaa mntana ukumkhuthaza Spare umnikela themba lokubana you know what it happened to me.
Mthoko, everything has its own time ne xa said everything has its own time akululanga. It's not easy. Especially xa usuka from andizukwazi ukumthethela kumuntu osuka from a disadvantaged background because I don't know
that's the challenges
exactly yabo. I've never experienced them but into engisho ngayo ukuthi the second you put your mind into it, number one, pray about it. Pray about it. You can like enye into write it down. Khona enye verse pha ku Habakkuk 2 chapter 2 verse 1 angisazi ke but ku verse 1 ne yes you vision yakho you write it down, you pray about it, then ke the rest ngumdala.
I think bendidlula somewhere emothini kodwa I'm not sure ubuse emotweni okanye ubuse office ethile but I was passing by ndakuvucula kamnandi manje igospel khona lapha ecaweni ndiyabona naku-service
for a good
i-groove
yes
cawe
yes
and then
cawe uthixo qala kube i-groove.
Okay khona ke ngikulela mina i-groove ifumaneka lapha egroovini
yini amantombazana or alcohol bev
nansi kaloku yona
alright.
So Spare is a famous Spare yaziwa well known Spare uyathandwa ngabantu. I think uyathandwa ngabantu because the experience nami ndiyakusupport futhi ngaphezulu.
I know
Spare ithini lento yotsalatsalwa ngapha awutsalatsalwa as uSpare ngamantombazana ungasala lapha uyibona ungasibe ngowami ezazinto uzithatha njani
uyandibhida uyandibhida uchitha umzi wami mthoko.
No Spare listen nawe uyayazi ba at the end of the day xa walk on the streets ukhona umuntu onxasileyo silent secret admirer
sure
kukhona ke ngoku ezi loud admirers ke ngoku
Yeah.
Yabo ezi live. Ngathi usemanga kahle.
Hayi ngihlezi ngibonga.
Awudlula athi
Hayi uyabonga.
But akathathanga masekugqibeni. I'm sure naye bakhona abenza the same thing kuye.
Awuvela.
Ukhona bese life yakho.
Ukhona.
Ndiyabuza nje.
Nami ngiyakubuza ukhona.
I'm not sure, andiyazi. So unawuba mhle ube nguthi nje ophangelayo, you've got that. I mean, awushoti nganto.
You can't have it all. You can't have it all.
Le unayo, it's all.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Ukhona na umuntu oselafini yakho. Awusithi it's not all.
Uyandibhida.
Okay,
ukhona.
All right.
No, ukhona. Ukhona mama.
Nyanya.
Ukhona. Ayo.
Isalo lithu kanye uzihlalela kwakhe indawo o ikwenzeka ntoni?
Akahlala lapha Qumbu. Akahlala lapha Qumbu.
Okay. Asizukumention igama lakhe because yazi abantu bazawuthi into indleba ngubani wapi, understand? And kusawutheni chitha umzi wakho.
Ngiyahlala kusuku.
Utheni usawunda ngathi ubaba madogo this bed.
Kunzima.
So yatohoza.
Akululanga.
3 months, 2 months contract,
Hayi anzenzi ngaphuma ngifuna ukuba stable manje. I need a wife. I need a wife. Ndingumfazi ngoku but ke majonga lo.
Spare now on weekends. You said there's someone who said that, right? So on weekends, if you're not after playing, alcohol, roof, where do you go?
Home, my place.
So every weekend you do that.
Yeah.
It's a sequence.
Yeah.
When do you see the person?
Whenever I.
Let's make a quiz like this. I think this month I've got 5 weekends, right? So this is the first weekend.
Sure.
So Mbonanga, right?
Morning.
Ngisuka kuye kule weekend. All right. Then the next weekend, I think man very khathe kunifuna lo ndawo usuka kuye. So uyakwazi usacrifice.
Nyanzelekile.
Phakathi naphakathi then uye ngapha. How often do you see that person a month?
Twice. Masithi twice because ungale kwenceba.
Okay. All right.
No.
I'm just saying, oh, okay.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, that's exposed. I was just saying, because I knew that you would come to this point. No, it's fine, Steph. Angaba ngapha kwenceba eligama lethi liphesha kwenceba lethetha umuntu okude. You get me? Bangakuvi wrong. Ithetha umuntu uthi ukude. Awusithi ungaphesha kwenceba, you understand?
Ngaba segoli ngaba but nje
in the next 5 years, where do you see yourself?
In the next 5 years? Number one, I see myself as I want to be umuntu entertainment industry. I've always loved the entertainment industry. I always tell my friends, "For mina industry wrong." Leyo manje ngivuka ekseni ngimsebenzeni ayi.
Khona umuntu othi reporter
industry wrong, but as much as I want to be there, I know ukuthi akululanga.
Yeah.
It's not easy, pan. I want to see myself in a big fish, pa. Number two, even career-wise.
Yes.
Please, man. Yeah.
So I'm sure in that 5 years, it also includes your own studio, signing your own artists.
Not signing my own artists, but maybe having an academy whereby I teach abantu DJ.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, stay. Ufamasi yaziwa, but where do we get you? How do we get you?
You can get me on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook, I'm active. I'm active kakhulu Spare Kyan. Spare with an apostrophe. It's C''PHE.
Okay.
Kyan.
Now, Instagram, I think most people have I think I'm the only person.
Yeah. Instagram, people are fake. Too much. No. I'm sorry. I get kulega lapho. Kulega ngedatha. Ungabona idatha ngakhala.
So it's only Facebook, no?
It's only Facebook and TikTok nakhona.
We can't give out WhatsApp.
Oh hell
No, we can't. Just because of abantu, they misuse
Exactly.
those connection.
Yeah.
Now, so it's TikTok.
It's TikTok and Facebook.
Do you put your work back to Facebook?
Not
TikTok?
yet, hey, yes. Ankayenzi neyo nto,
You
but
should do.
I should
Because
do that, man.
somebody missed you amends. Now, Uvile that DJ Spare was it.
Spare the DJ.
Oh, Spare the DJ.
Yes.
Okay. Not DJ Spare.
Uh-uh.
All right, Spare the DJ.
Yes.
Ebese amends. Now, Khaluva man, but play njani?
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Then ndizilungise from what I was trying to do mna in school sathe okanye umuntu nje ozihlaleleyo okhaluma ube music.
Yeah.
So I should think you should post.
Yeah, I'll do that. I think I should
Are you
start
playing
doing
today?
that. I definitely. Phuma kwami lana ngiyahamba.
Your dlala. All right. I can't wait to see you big girl. La Champagne.
Ne?
I think we should tell them to come and support.
Abana choice.
You get
Not
me?
a choice.
Because now yalapha moslento ungwalapha. Now that you came to Uqumbu, uphakamise bani Uqumbu, you get me?
Bonomse. Yeah.
Now, you see, so I think Spare we should come ngobuninzi bethu siyokusupporta, you understand?
Please,
Spare
guys,
randomly.
please.
Have you ever used the word love?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm in love.
I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Hey, you're not answering me. Hey, you're not answering me.
I love you.
Bakutheni. In a podcast.
Akuteni.
Why do you love me?
Because you're a human being. Like, I love you, man.
So how many human beings that you love apha ngaphandle?
Affectionally. Oh.
Yeah, ndifuna ubuza uba uyalisebenzisa la gama enxatheni.
I do.
Xa ucenga hlanga.
No, not Xanxenga.
Oh, Mandela.
No man Mandelwang. If I love you as my person, I'll tell you. Ukuthi ngiyakuthanda mfethu.
Even if so moshela ngana. I think guys uthando into efamba sizokuxelelana yona.
It's very important.
To
I even
avoid
tell my
every
friends
level
ukuthi I
of
love you,
time.
but in the move.
No, you have to.
Oh man, you
have to. You understand?
Truffles.
I think ekhaya we were taught Tina uba at the end call. No brother wami no sister wami. Yabo?
Yeah.
Ndiyathanda and ke ngoku whatever that I need.
That's important
Not financially, na emotionally xa ndidinga into ndidinga ucoach, understand? I think we should use that gama libe yinorm.
Enye into kaloku nobomi esiphilayo ngoku 1 minute you here, the next you're gone.
I'm talking about that, and also I don't want us to leave le ndawo you get me?
Oof, yeah.
Now when we get there, we're not blaming anyone, guys. We're not blaming anyone.
Sure.
Now what I'm trying to say, I don't want to you up. Gender-based violence. If Lamdana was loved, told as well. I'm not saying but sometimes physically, the heart.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Whatever if you can do it. If you can't, say I cannot do it, but I love you.
Yeah.
You get me? So I think that situation, but election time. You get me?
That's in that situation. It's very tricky, man.
That's why I'm saying we're not blaming anyone. Anyway, we're passing space, eh?
Yeah.
We're passing space. So you're going for your gig.
Well, it's not a gig, but
it's a slot.
It's a slot. Yeah.
So guys, we catch to spare every time a manzi. I think he is the DJ. If I Usamenzi, uzabe Champagne the 31st, right?
Of May, yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for having me, man.
Thank you.
Yabonga kakhulu. Sharp, ne?